In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail offline without internet. By the end, you'll be able to read, search, and write emails even when you're not connected, and everything will sync automatically once you're back online. Start by opening Gmail in your browser. Look at the top right corner for the gear icon. That opens Quick Settings. Click it, then choose. See All Settings to open the full settings page. Along the top, you'll see several tabs. Click the one labeled Offline. On the offline page, turn on the option called Enable Offline Mail. This is what allows Gmail to store a copy of your recent messages on your computer so they're available without internet. Right below that, you'll see a setting to store emails from the last selected number of days. Choose the time range that fits your needs. A shorter range uses less space and syncs faster, while a longer range gives you access to more history when you're offline. If you have a large mailbox or limited storage, picking fewer days can make the initial setup smoother. Next, look at the security section. Here you'll choose how Gmail handles offline data on your computer. If this is your personal device, keeping offline data is convenient because your emails remain available even after you close your browser. If you're on a shared or public computer, choose the option to remove offline data, which helps protect your privacy by clearing those locally stored messages. Take a moment to pick the option that best matches where you're using Gmail. When you're comfortable with your choices, click Save Changes. Gmail will begin syncing your selected messages in the background. Depending on how many days you selected and the size of your inbox, the first sync can take a little time. You can continue using Gmail while this happens. From now on, when you don't have internet, just open Gmail the same way you always do. You'll be able to read your recent emails, search within what's been stored, and compose new messages. Anything you send while offline will be placed in your outbox and will automatically send once your connection returns. Actions like archiving or labeling will also sync the next time you're online. A couple of tips to keep things running smoothly. Choose a sync range that fits your available storage. Avoid clearing your browser data if you want to keep offline mail, and use the security option that matches your environment. If your needs change, you can revisit the same offline tab to adjust your settings at any time. That's it. Your Gmail is now ready for those moments when the internet isn't.